The Ramganga River is a lifeline in Jim Corbett. But when the legendary Pedwali Tigress steps into the water, the entire jungle holds its breath. On the opposite bank, the deer scattered. As she reached the first island, they stopped, thinking she would finally rest on the riverbed. But they were wrong. She stepped right back into the current, a slow, silent, and relentless march towards deers. 3 times she crossed the river. A beautiful, tense game of chess between predator and prey played out in the heart of the wild.